back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing with you guys this package I received from Shapermint, and I'm going to be trying some of the products we have right here, and I'm going to show you guys how I style these products. And if you guys don't know what Shapermint is a shapewear company that they have various items like bras, underwear, shapewears, leggings, and everything is meant for us women to feel confident in our own bodies. That's their main philosophy behind the brand, which I adore. They want us to feel pretty and amazing, and I really like that. And the theme for this month is that for moms. And I wanted to share a little bit about myself. I am a mom of 2 boys, and I'm not the person to work out or do much exercises, but as you guys know, boys love to be outdoors and they love playing sports, and I have to constantly be like around them, the house, and in a way I'm working out even if I don't want to, which is funny. I'm always like running after them and seeing where they are and play hide and go seek and outside, and it's like crazy. They make me work out, which is funny, but I don't like to work out. But yeah, that's how it is. And something amazing about this brand is that they have clothes that they make you feel comfortable, and the leggings are meant to tighten like your stomach and like make you feel, like I said, confident in your own body and feel pretty and nice. So let's just go ahead to these unboxing and see what products they sent me so I could try it out for you guys and see how I style it. Okay, so let's get started to the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box, and it says, "Welcome to the Shapermint experience." So they did send me 3 products here. They did send me like a list of things for me to choose. So they sent me and I could try it out for you guys. And I chose this 3 things because you're gonna see why. I do love my leggings, so I had to get 2 leggings and then I got a top. And then I'm going to show you guys how I style them. So the first thing I have here is the scoop neck cami. It says that it's comfort all day, every day. So this is meant for you to wear like every day, even to like be around the house, or if you want to go outside to the park. Like I said, I'm always like going outside with my boys, and this is something that I'm gonna be used for like an everyday, to be at home and to feel nice and tight, which I love. So this is the top, and it's a pretty nude shade, and I think I really like this shade because it goes like with anything on the bottom. So you could even wear it with like shorts, like black shorts, blue, green. It could be any color because this matches with everything, literally. And it's like a really like stretchy material, but you can tell that when you wear it, you're gonna feel tight. Like you're gonna be tight, nice, and tight in this. So I really like that. I did choose a small. I'm usually between extra small or small, and don't think that I'm like super skinny, which I'm not. But I have lost weight after my pregnancy due to always like being around the house. I have, like I said, I have 2 boys, so I'm always like on the run, and that has helped me to kind of like lose weight a little. But I still have my mommy pouch, and this is gonna help me with that, so I like that. Just as well as the leggings, which are amazing. I'm going to show you now. So this is the high-waisted shaping leggings. This is the navy blue, and like you can see, it's stretchy, but at the same time it's tight, which is what I like. I always like to be tight, especially in my stomach area, and I like that they're high-waisted because this can cover everything. And like I said, it's a legging, it's long. This is the navy blue, and then this is the black, which I love. I'm always wearing leggings like all the time, even to go out. So even to go out, you could actually wear this with high heels and a nice blouse, and you're good to go. Or you could even style it for like to be at home or like go to the park with your kids. Just wear this and some like tennis shoes and you're good to go. And the other thing that they sent here, which is really cute, is like a bunch of cute stickers that says, be yourself, you're amazing, love yourself. I really like this because this makes me feel super happy, and I like companies that they're all about women empowering and feeling them beautiful and amazing, as all companies should do, because we are important, we are moms, we are superheroes. And although we do sometimes, like myself, feel a little bit sad and depressed, when I wear something and it fits me good, I get happy. And that's something that we all should do. Like for those times that I'm feeling down, I'm like, no, I have to wear something cute, put on my cute leggings and on my high heels and go out the door, and right there my day turns upside down to upside and I have like a really big smile on my face. So that's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try out this stuff and show you guys how I style it, and hopefully you guys can get the idea of the products that you could choose in the website. So I do have a code with them. I will probably be linking it right here, as well as in the description, all the details about these products and my code. So you guys, if you want, you can check it out. So I'll be back, try some products, and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit. So this is what I do. I put the top tucked in inside the legging out like that, so I get more tucked in results. And then I just wear my sneakers, and this is like my everyday look to be around the house, to run around my kids. So this is what you guys could do. This is an option for you guys. I really like the leggings. They're really stretchy material, but they tuck you in like everything. And then inside they have these little things that makes it like in your skin and it doesn't like roll over. So I think it's great. Now another thing that you guys could do is do this, but like wear some high heels and go out. So like a restaurant or like a brunch, something like that. I think it's a good idea. Or you could wear this same top like outside the legging. So now for the last legging, which is the blue one, I'm going to try it out and then wear with another top and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, and this is the final outfit that I wanted to show you guys, that you could recreate and use something like this. Use the leggings. So I have the navy blue leggings. I put it all the way up so I could tuck everything in, and then I selected a nice blouse with some high heels, and this is the perfect outfit to go out for like a brunch or like even a simple date in the daylight. And I think it's very cute, and I really like how, like I said, it tucks in everything and it makes me feel beautiful and confident. Also going to be showing you guys here the website so you guys get the idea of all the products that they have. And you can also get like shapewear for like dresses and tuck in everything and make your dress look really nice. So that's it for this video guys. This is everything they sent me, the unboxing. Let me know if you like it, and thank you very much Shapermint for sending me this amazing products that I love. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.